India, the country with the most populous democracy in the world and one of the fastest growing major economies, is well on its way towards becoming a superpower. However, there are certain issues that have been plaguing our country. Lack of cleanliness and proper disposal of waste has always been a major concern, due to which we are surrounded by dirt and filth. In urban areas, garbage is collected, transported, and then dumped, resulting in the emission of methane and other harmful gases from these heaps. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, always said, "Cleanliness is next to godliness." स्वच्छता भक्ति से भी बढ़कर है. 2nd October 2014, on Gandhiji's 145th birth anniversary, India started a movement. A movement that saw millions of its citizens take a pledge to work towards a Swachh Bharat. While many endeavors of individuals and organizations have been initiated across the country in support of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a small town in Rajasthan, Banswara, with a population of just over 1 lakh, is witnessing an innovative revolution of sorts. Banswara Syntex Limited, a leading textile company that has been awarded the National Export Award for the past 10 consecutive years, has always been committed to the use of green technology to ensure that all its processes are environment friendly.
We had met the collector a few months ago, and in the meeting it was decided that everybody needs to do their bit for Banswara city as well as Banswara district. Banswara Syntex has been in Banswara for 35 years. We are a part and parcel of this community, and as an initiative, what we have started for the Swachh Bharat, Abhiyan of Prime Minister Modi, is segregation, because we realize that 80% of the garbage collected in Banswara is bio-waste, and we wanted to do our bit to eliminate this problem in a very simple and economical way.
हमारा मुद्दा ये है मेन वो बायो वेस्ट है, खाने पीने की चीज़ें, उनके बचे हुए अंश. धरती माता हमारे लिए खाना उगाती है, सब्जियां उगती हैं, फल फूल सभी होते हैं, जिसके बिना हमारा जीवन संभव नहीं है. हमको वो साथ वापस कैसे धरती माता को लौटाएं और ताकि हमारी भूमि हमेशा के लिए उपजाऊ रह सके, उसके लिए एक व्यवस्था की गई है.
Banswara Syntex Limited has a workforce in excess of 10,000, and hence a considerable amount of solid waste is generated.
कंपनी के 13 कैंटीन्स, 130 स्टाफ क्वार्टर्स व 700 लेबर क्वार्टर्स का सॉलिड वेस्ट कलेक्शन व ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है.
Let's try and understand how the system works. First, the waste is segregated into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. The biodegradable or organic waste, which is primarily vegetable waste, is kept in a special composting tumbler. Absorbent and carbon-rich media like crushed dry leaves, sawdust, etc., along with bacterial culture, is added to this tumbler subsequently. The tumbler is then rotated 5 to 6 times to ensure proper mixing and aeration. In a few days' time, the mulch is almost ready and is taken out from the tumblers and sent to the curing site. This mulch is then shredded and fed to the hungry worms present in the vermi bed. 15 days later, the vermicompost is ready to be sent to the farm. What was once nothing but waste has been transformed into a source of immense nutrition for the plants. But all this wasn't as easy as it sounds. The challenge was to educate the people about proper segregation and usage of the compost bin and to make them aware of its importance. This was addressed by continuous awareness programs and regular monitoring. Teams were sent from door to door to conduct surveys and to explain the concept of segregation at source. Various group activities and games were also organized to motivate and encourage the sweepers and children in a fun-filled way. The Gandhi Chadi game proved efficiency of systematic collection of reusable plastic. In a matter of 20 minutes, a whopping 16 kgs of plastic waste was collected. In another example of making the best out of waste, Banswara Syntex used their own waste fabric to make cloth bags in-house and distributed to all the residents, especially for the collection of plastic bags. In fact, even the composting tumblers and bins were manufactured out of scrap materials.
टम्बलर एक 200 लीटर का ड्रम जो कि हमारे स्क्रैप यार्ड से हमने लिया और उसके अंदर स्टील के ब्लेड लगाए और एक बिन जो है बिन भी हमने स्क्रैप यार्ड से ही ड्रम लेके वेस्ट जो हमारे पास मटेरियल है उसी से बनाया है.
In less than 2 months, a total of 400 tumblers and bins were made. And in just a few months, the entire decentralized waste management system at Banswara Syntex has been set up and is now operational. All this has been possible only due to the complete commitment of the entire team and each and every member of the Banswara family. They have created a healthy atmosphere for themselves and have improved their quality of life considerably.
We hope we have been able to demonstrate that this is a workable, quick, easy solution which later can then be adopted by Banswara City and subsequently by the district.